To today's edition of Toggle's Daily Video Insights. Today we're going to take a look at a pipeline company called Pembina, and we're going to explore why is it that seasonality suggests there could be potentially 5% upside in this stock over the following week. Now, as many of you already know, we review these insights on a daily basis, so today we're going to take a deeper dive specifically into this name and explore why is it that Toggle is highlighting this particular relationship for this particular name. So once you're in the asset overview, the best way to explore what Toggle is actually saying is to click on the card, which will give you immediate access to the analysis behind it. So we click on this and immediately you can see that what the analysis is currently suggesting is that the target price of 32.85 would suggest from here just a shade under 5%. And in this case, it's based on over 10 years of data where effectively Toggle is indicating that this time of the year, the stock has generally tended to do well. Now, how do we get a little bit more confidence in this? How do we know that the system isn't just highlighting some sort of spurious correlation? So we click right here on why it might move, and we're going to take a look in more detail, specifically the seasonality. And as you can see here, really what the system is highlighting is that there have been quite a lot of upside episodes. Here you got to squint a little bit to see it, but there have been quite a lot of upside episodes that have taken place this time of the year. So looking at the past performance, we can see the distribution of these returns. And again, you can see that although there was one episode where actually the stock continued to go lower, the upside was substantially higher, in some cases 2%, but in some cases high as almost 6%. And so the risk reward in this particular seasonality pattern is quite compelling. Now, there's obviously a lot of other things going on in the energy space currently, and so this is not the only reason to consider an investment in this stock, but nonetheless, it's a useful reminder that there is a very wide universe of names out there that are worth considering. And so this could be one that is definitely worth looking at. If you'd like to see more of these insights going forward, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We do these every day. We really try to break down the barriers between fundamental variables, seasonality, and so on, and help everybody uncover what at any given point in time is actually driving a particular stock. That's what Toggle was really built to do, to kind of give that infrastructure to the retail investor who's trying to root their analysis in fundamental as well as technical analysis. The daily brief, which by now should be in your mailboxes as well, is discussing in a little bit more detail as to what exactly is happening in the oil market now and what that might mean for specific stocks going forward, which ones are worth taking a look at, and whether or not the fact that they've already had quite a good year may mean that the upside from here is limited. The conclusion seems to be no, not really. There are definitely still quite a few names that could potentially rally a bit further. Now, for the moment, that's all we have to say, but we will be with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, thank you for your attention.